What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Glizzy, and I'm back with another video. Now, in today's video, I'm about to be going ahead and doing another hair tutorial. Now, look, I just want to let y'all know that this is my last hair tutorial on this channel. Hold on, my fucking arm getting tired. I ain't even gonna cap, but this is gonna be my last hair tutorial on this channel, dog. I'm tired of doing hair tutorials, and this hair tutorial is gonna be something different. Like, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover with it, so like I don't gotta be trying to say something that I really don't mean, like type something like, you all know how I used to do the videos. Like, it used to be like, what is he talking about? So let's go ahead and switch to the video now. You finna go ahead and watch the video. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I do, like basically like a routine, but I'm gonna tell y'all also how to get the FreeForm jerseys. That's how what y'all like. That's what y'all trying to do. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video, dog. I'm gonna get y'all when I see y'all. Fuck y'all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm back with a little voiceover. Now look, all I'm doing in this step right here is just grabbing me some locking gel. Now if y'all don't have locking gel, I've been trying to explain to y'all this in every video that I've done on my hair. Just make sure y'all have some locking gel on deck, because this is going to help your hair lock up a lot faster, because I know a lot of y'all want to see results like within a week. So if y'all really like that type of person, like where you really want to start seeing and you want this process to be way much faster, just make sure you get some locking gel. Now as you can see, I'm just like spreading my hair, like spreading the locking gel within my hair, trying to get it like coated evenly. But you see, I have a lot of hair, so when y'all starting off, y'all shouldn't have this much hair. Y'all should be Gucci. Like y'all shouldn't even need no more after y'all take like them first little 2 scoops. And as y'all can see, when y'all rubbing it in, it'll start trying your hair up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to the next step. But that's basically it, man. So y'all just keep watching, and I'm gonna keep coming back. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, so now what I'm doing is I'm basically grabbing my microfiber rack that I've been telling y'all about, and this is y'all first video, bro. If y'all want to, I have other videos on this hair joint. If y'all really want to go watch all the other videos, they should be in the description down below. But first off, bro, just grab your little rag. Now this kind of rack that I'm using is called a microfiber rack. It's like a rag with basically like a tighter grip. It's like almost like a car wash rag, like a rag you would wash your car with almost. It's not like a regular little like bath rag. So don't be thinking you can just go get a washcloth that you've been using for 2 years and think it's gonna be really twisting your hair. But now listen, if y'all don't have a microfiber rag, don't worry. If y'all keep watching the video, there's also another thing you could do to twist up your hair. And me personally, I do this method, but there's other ways you could do it. So yeah, just keep watching and I'm gonna come right back. You hear me? Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, now this in fact is the second twisting method that I was telling y'all before. It's a brush. Now you can use basically any type of brush to go ahead and twist up your hair, just as long as it's not too soft and long as it's not too hard. Just as long as you can stand it. If you can stand the twisting to where it's not hurting you, then you're good. But you don't want it to be too soft, because then it won't be doing really anything at all. So you want it to be a little hard so it can really start twisting up your hair. But yeah, that's really it on the second twisting method. Just twist it like you would be doing a sponge. And by the way, if y'all watching this video, bro, do not use a sponge to like really twist up y'all hair. If y'all really want to go for freeforms, bro, do not use a sponge. It'll like thin up your hair, and you really won't get those individual locks like that you really want. So just don't go the way with a sponge. Just either use these 2 methods, or like maybe I heard people use like a tennis racket. I know that's a thing. So like stuff like that, if y'all want to use stuff like that, then y'all can. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and keep letting y'all watch the video, bro. Hope y'all enjoy. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, it's the next day and I'm recording. I'm editing the video right now as we speak. Like, I'm literally editing right now. So, I just wanted to come back and let y'all know, like, I hope y'all enjoyed the video because I didn't really get a chance to say that in the video. I'm doing, like, a little voiceover thing, typing thing, like, on some professional junk, you feel me? So, we trying to, you know what I'm saying, get the bag, you get me? But, yeah, I just hope y'all enjoyed the video. Tell me if the tutorial was good for y'all, if y'all think I should do something different, if y'all think, like, what I shouldn't have did, like, let me know so I can get better. Like, I'm trying to get on like a more professional scale, like YouTube now. Like, it's time to start actually trying to take this junk serious. So like, y'all let me know down in the comments. Basically just tell me what I should have did or tell me what I shouldn't have did, and then yeah. But make sure y'all go ahead and copy out some merch. Y'all know we still got the glizzy merch going. Links in the description as well as all my other freeform videos. Like I said, I don't know, but it's probably gonna be my last freeform video because I just feel like I'm talking about the same thing.
Please, no.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Alright, but yeah, like I was saying, I just feel like I'm talking about the same junk every time. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video. But like I said, go ahead and copy out some merch. We still got a glizzy merch going. So yeah, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below if this helps you in any way, shape, or form. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. You get me?
What that shit from?
Turn it up.
Oh, okay.